Is that a good time to buy a home now? The answer to this question really depends on how long are you planning to stay in that home. If you have an intention to stay in that home for a long haul, let's say for like over 3 years, then now is the perfect time to buy. So the price right now is relatively low and there's a highly chance that the price will go up again within like 3 years. However, if you only plan to stay in that home for like a year or a year and a half, then now might not be a good time to buy because the price still might go down during that time frame. Well, of course, there's no crystal ball that can tell us whether the price will go up or down in the future. So ultimately, your question to whether it's a good time to buy now really depending on your individual circumstance and your plan for how long you intend to live in that house.